What's going on, guys? This is David with you again, and in this video I wanted to talk a little bit about cash flow and staying alive and being encouraged, because one of the things that can get you down is, of course, cash flow. And here you are trying to start a business and trying to run a business, and you may have a few good weeks where you get a bunch of calls, and then the next thing you know, it gets a little slow. So if you're at that point of where you're fresh starting appliance repair business, and you've got your Facebook page built, and you're posting ads on Craigslist, and you're trying to get yourself out there by talking to property management companies, and you're talking to furniture stores, your local furniture stores, trying to get your name out there, and you're trying to build business, but you may not be getting the amount of calls that you like. And so what I recommend doing is maybe getting a part-time job, because there's going to be times where it gets slow and it's going to get discouraging. And if you got a part-time job, you can still have a little cash flow coming in, and you can also go hit your calls that you're getting. And there'll be times, of course, where you'll make more money doing your appliance calls than you would probably your part-time job. But that part-time job is going to have that steady income coming in until you can get on your feet. And I really recommend this, because it was a struggle for me trying to get this business started and trying to get this business going. There'd be times where it'd be up and down, and me, I was stubborn, I was hard-headed. I went and did other hustles, like, selling appliances and doing different things like that, buying storage units. There's other things that you can do that you can, create income with. But I recommend number one source is just going and getting a part-time job in a situation like this, because you'll thank me later, especially when there's times that are slow like this. But this is just a little appliance talk. I hope you guys enjoying my videos. I'm stoked to have this many followers, and this many people listening to me. It's very exciting. So I thank you guys, and hit the like button and subscribe. Y'all have a good day.